In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get Soul Guitar Blox Fruits level 1500. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Soul Guitar, also known as the Skull Guitar, is a mythical gun. You will be able to obtain this in the third sea on the Haunted Castle. It requires a very specific puzzle for you to acquire the crafting recipe. So to even start, you need to be at least level 2300. So keep that in mind. For you to start this, you will need at least level 2300. And it is going to involve a full moon. So for the first step in all of this puzzle, go over to the gravestone at night during a full moon. So you need to pray on this specific gravestone. A full moon happens every 180 minutes after the previous full moon, so roughly 3 hours. Once you have a full moon, go over to this location in the haunted castle on this gravestone and you will be able to pray there. You will be given a dialogue before the screen goes black for a second before returning to normal. Now, candles are going to be lit and the puzzle will begin. Now, you will need to kill 6 living zombies with the same attack. You need to kill them all at the same time with one attack, and if done correctly, you will receive some dialogue telling you excellent. So use your most powerful abilities, gather them up, and with one swing of your sword or any other ability, try to kill all of them. Once you have done this and you have killed 6 living zombies with one attack, you will be able to follow the signs. So you need to go back to the graveyard and look at the 2 rows of signs. So there are going to be a bunch of signs on your way here, and clicking the sign will turn it white, which points towards the row with the most graves. Make sure to only count the graves, so even the cross-shaped graves count, not the soil, and alternatively, you can just follow the image provided here. So, as you can see, according to this image, this is what it should look like. So you need to make sure that the white signs are pointing towards the places with the most gravestones. Once you have all of these set up, then you will be able to proceed and talk to the ghost NPC. This is an NPC that is going to appear during this quest, so enter the main castle, go to the room at the right side, and you will find a ghost in there. Talking to him will make your screen go black, and now you will need to go to the garden between the main castle and the room where the Soul Reaper spawns. Memorize or screenshot the trophy order from the yard, looking towards the castle. Once done, go into the electrical room underneath, and turn left to go into the circuits. Now you will need to enter a code that corresponds with how the trophies were facing. The 3s are going to be blank, and if the handle of the trophy is left to right, make sure that the code is horizontal, and if the handle of the trophy is back and forth, make sure that it is vertical. So an example would be something like this. Once you have all of these set up and you set up the blanks as the 3s, you will be almost done. The last step is to look at the tiles on the floor of the room. Click on the tiles until their colors match with the pipes on the wall. So you will have these pipes and the roof, and you need to match the colors. So this would be an example here. And as long as you match these colors accordingly, you will have unlocked the recipe for you to make this gun. Afterwards, you will need to gather the required materials, and you will have access to the weird machine where you can craft the Soul Guitar. I hope I was able to help you on how to get Soul Guitar on Blox Fruits level 1500. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.